Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Burger King chicken sandwich. Get ready to craft a delicious, crispy chicken sandwich right in your own kitchen. We'll walk through selecting the best ingredients, preparing your chicken to perfection, and assembling a sandwich that rivals your favorite fast food version. It's easier than you think to enjoy this classic treat anytime you crave it. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, trimmed to about 1/2 inch thick. For the breading, have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Don't forget 4 hamburger buns, mayonnaise, fresh lettuce, and sliced tomatoes. Seasonings like paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper are also crucial for that signature flavor. Now let's prepare the star of our sandwich, the crispy chicken. First, season your chicken breasts generously with salt, black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Next, set up a 3-station breading process. 1 dish with flour, another with beaten eggs and a tablespoon of water, and a third with breadcrumbs. Dredge each chicken piece through the flour, then the egg wash, and finally coat it thoroughly in breadcrumbs. Fry in vegetable oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, until golden and cooked through. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious chicken sandwich. Lightly toast your hamburger buns for a warm, slightly crispy texture. Spread a generous layer of mayonnaise on both the top and bottom halves of each toasted bun. Place 1 perfectly fried chicken patty onto the bottom bun. Finish by adding fresh green leaf lettuce and 2 slices of ripe tomato, then crown your creation with the top bun. Serve immediately, and savor your homemade Burger King-style chicken sandwich.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.